When designing for Mother's Day, you've got to be fast. It's got to be easy. And it has to be fabulous. Garden roses meet that bill. The material, the most important, from Garden Roses Direct, this fabulous hot pink garden rose. It's millicent, super fragrant, very long lasting. Also, horrendous stems. This is one you definitely are going to want a rose glove. Protect your fingers and strip it down before you begin designing. The mechanics in the vase, nothing, just fresh water pre-mixed with flower food, ready to design. A lot of people these days are avoiding the traditional greenery foliage. They're looking for alternatives, either all flowers or just foliage that isn't green. Perfect for that, Dusty Miller. And since it's in a vase with fresh water, a large water reservoir, it will hold very, very well. It is a very thirsty foliage, so you want to give it a cut and then set it down deeply so that it will reach the bottom of the vase and build your nest to support your blooms. Like with any classic vase design, as you add your flowers, start on the lower level first. Angle them outward. Don't try to fill in the center. Go around building in a triangle form, which will give you a nice rounded shape when we're done. Starting at the base and then working your way to the top will allow you to keep the form perfectly. So I did my bottom, now I'm coming into the mid-level, and last I'll do the top. Once the roses are in place, you can go back, add a little more Dusty Miller if you'd like, bringing it in more towards the center, and then fillers to soften this beautiful fluffy white. It's a Japanese silene. It's very long-lasting, starts tight and beady, and then fluffs out to these little clouds of pinky blush white. The recipe, the roses from GardenRosesDirect.com. I used the entire bunch, 12 stems of the fragrant Millicent garden rose. Then to fill in 5 stems of Dusty Miller and 12 stems of the Japanese silene. Gives it a very contemporary yet classic look. Flowers for Mom, so important. Garden roses, a wonderful touch. The fragrance, oh my gosh, magical. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. But now it is your turn. Find your favorite garden roses, pick a lovely vase, and design away. Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.